Okay, thank goodness. At least everything still works. This is the important part. We back, boys. Sorry about the disconnect. Very unfortunate. Download more RAM. Hello, Nix. Good morning. Oh. I don't think it's RAM issue, to be honest. Okay. 16 GB. Yeah, I don't have AI image generation though. Nix OS. Been drawing a lantern. Isn't finished, but do you want to see? Sure, it's a pixel art lantern. Let's go. Okay, guys, I was about to ask before the stream died. Can I rename this? Is this fine? Because I want to rename this script to weapon script. It's not pixel art, really? Do I have 2 streams here now? Tagging everyone again. Ashenhops. I actually... not Ashenhops. Abef, are you still here? I actually have a custom Discord message. Or do I? Wait a second. Am I stupid? Wait. Discord online message. Song request timeout. By the way, sorry. I actually supplied one here, but I guess I did it in the wrong location. Sorry guys, I'm just managing this real quick. Yeah, I need this one right here. I actually copied that earlier today to make sure that I don't tag everyone. Which is a little bit weird. Do I have to restart the stream here as well? Reload. Okay, now it works. Not sure. I'm very sorry that I tagged everyone today. Was not my intention. It should be back now. Cakez, you were a VTuber? No, I was a VTuber. It's a different voice. It was a different voice. Yeah. Cakez is a flash tuber, yeah. Okay, now Discord app. All right. Now I can look at the image. My god, I clicked with my middle mouse button, come on. God, is it laggy. Please, can you use the middle mouse button so I can see the image? Okay, this is image number 1 and this is image number 2. What are you doing this for? Looks nice. You started drawing the leaves here. Man, that sounds like, looks like a lot of work, holy. Imagine this is a texture for just one picture in a game. Just trying to fall back in love with drawing properly again. Max Conrad, hello there. Welcome, bro. He jello? Pixel art has been melting my brain. Because it's difficult or why? Okay, guys, we are back. Sorry about the shutdown of the stream. OBS just simply crashed, or I think my graphics card literally died on the computer. Could have been that. I want to rename this to weapon, but then we also need to give it a scene or a projectile that it spawns. Unfortunately. Or we need to have the same spawn projectile function everywhere. I just blink and see pixels. There's less information regarding textures and light bounces. Never become a VTuber. I have a strict unfollow policy for streamers that become VTubers. Oh, really? I've seen a recent YouTuber being not a VTuber, but just using a character because he doesn't want to like stream with the lights on. Which I think is a smart way to chill and at the same time stream, like playing games. My man Ninx, thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you very much for the support, Ninx. I really appreciate it. Thank you. This disconnect kind of pissed me off. It kind of threw me out of the wind. I have to catch my... Like, I hate it, you know. YouTube was doing very well. People were watching. And then when you just disconnect, it just... I hate that, you know. It's just... God damn it. I mean, we'll get back into it, but it's still annoying. You know, I hate that shit. Why does it keep happening? Stop, please. It's been 12 months since I asked you why you were so rigorously sticking to a color palette. Training things. Wait, you don't love staring into a keylight all day? Actually, I don't mind. It's something that you just turn off. You get used to it. But let's say it's the night and you just want to chill with the boys. For example, Quinn does that, where he has a second streaming channel where he doesn't turn on the camera. And he just streams playing games. Oh, sorry. Okay, let's get back into it, okay? The boys, yeah. Happy Sunday, everyone. Hello, Smiling Big. Happy Sunday for you too, bro. Okay, let's see here. This is cool. Spawn projectile. This function is nice. The reason why I need this scene, maybe we can make this... We need to make this, what I'm working on right now, to give you guys some context. We have our first weapon in the game. It is on the tower in a list of weapons. And if this wasn't cut out, we would see it actually. This is the list of weapons. And this is one weapon. This is the scene for the weapon. But every weapon should function fundamentally the same. They should all follow this one script for target to get the target priority, I think. But then some weapons spawn a projectile. And we need to somehow supply that projectile. So I think we need to rename this. Can we do that? Then I suppose for every weapon we have a projectile in here. We have the scene, and then we have the projectile scene as well. Which is in this case, the boulder. Do you have a plan for 30 days? Yes, we did one on stream together, don't you remember? And then over here we can turn this projectile into a null pointer. And then if we just instantiate the projectile, we call it projectile scene. Link. Yeah, unfortunately, I don't have a link to that at the moment. It's just a text document. I'll work on adding that to GitHub. Maybe we'll do this on stream today. Guys, do you think my graphics card is crashing and therefore the stream resets? Cakez, have you ever tried multiplayer? No, I have not. We don't need this. We don't need this. Lol. This is useless. We don't need a spawn projectile function, lol. All we need to do is add a child to the weapon. The weapon instance gets the child. The projectile is the weapon dot projectile scene that we instantiate. And we set the weapon damage, the weapon type, and the enemy as the target. There we go. And then this becomes completely useless. We just need an attack timer and attack delay on each weapon. Perfect. I like it. Yes, you are encoding on HQ, probably melting your shit. You sure? You think we did the wrong options? And that's why my GPU is trying to do too much, but it's always been the same power usage. It's actually using more CPU than GPU. The reason why my computer is melting a lot is because it's on 90% CPU usage, actually. I don't know why OBS is using that much CPU. Maybe it's the newest version. Okay, wait, so we have an attack timer that is 0.0. And we have an attack delay. Haha! We have an attack delay, attack timer, scene, projectile scene, instance, damage type. And we can use the attack timer of the weapon now. Attack delay. We can add the child to the instance of the weapon, yes. I'm pretty sure I can make this even better, but this is good enough for now. Let's see if everything still works. I'm doing all of this so we can make another weapon, by the way. Awesome. It looks like it does work. So now the cool thing about this is I can make a new weapon, and the only thing I need to do is create a scene for the circle. Yeah, so this one can go away. Can we delete this? No? How do I delete this script? Remove. And then this GD script for the boulder, I think we can set an effect even here as well on the tower. So for example, we have the projectile scene, and then we can say, okay, actually no, I think I need to make a different script for different projectiles. I think. How long on Godot, by the way? For this project, probably 10 hours or something at the moment. We are currently working on making it extendable, which is a little bit boring. But it also has to be done. $10 years. And an overall experience in Godot, I would say 30 hours or something. Not that much. So we have this impact scene effect, which I guess we could, for normal projectiles. We could have piercing effects, right? On body entered, inflict damage. And then Q3 depends on how many pierces we have, I guess. That would be a simple projectile script. But do we get issues if we rename this? This would just... I can't rename this. Projectile. Let's call it projectile script. And does the boulder still have this? Okay, because a projectile can have a var pierce count, which is an int, by default 0 pierces. And then it can also have an impact scene, which we put on the list. Over here. And then we can set the impact scene on the projectile. Good. Let's get rid of this. We don't need that anymore. Boulder weapon. Boulder weapon. Actually, what is this? Yeah, we still need that, but we don't need the script anymore. So we can detach that. Save the boulder weapon. And we have like this weird script here, which I want to delete. We don't even have that anymore. How can I get rid of this? Close. Discard. Nice. Now we have a generic projectile script. By default, this is null. The impact scene effect. Right click, close. Yeah, thank you, Jackly Gamer. And then whenever we enter on a body, we create an impact. So we track if impact scene is not null. I love that. How it just destroys that. Okay. If it's not null, then we do this. We create an effect. Very nice. So we still should have exactly the same code. Impact effect not declared in current scope. Yeah. I see. So this one is here as well. Impact scene, invalid index, packed scene. Okay, it's complaining about this being not there. That's not true. Huh? This is wrong. This actually exists. Or maybe the boulder, the projectile, doesn't have that. Impact scene. Impact effect scene. Look at this. Awesome. We can now... The reason why I did all of this, which, you know, it looks so bad. Like, you know, it doesn't do much. Well, now... Now we can create another projectile. An animated fireball. I want a fireball now. We have explosions. We just need a flying fireball. Some of them look nice. Thank you very much for following, Coginus. This one looks nice. Space shooter pack. Maybe we have one here. Sprite sheets. Oh, this explosion looks nice. Laser bolts. Cakes, can we have a weapon where we fire poor people? What do you mean?